Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unshare or stop sharing a notebook in OneNote. This is particularly useful when you no longer need to collaborate with certain people or want to regain full private control over your notes. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're viewing the notebook that you want to stop sharing. This initial step ensures you're working with the correct file before making any changes to its sharing settings. Once your notebook has been loaded, the next step involves heading over to Microsoft OneDrive, where your OneNote notebook is being shared. Open OneDrive in your browser and take a look at the left side menu. Here you'll need to click on My Files. This section displays all the files and notebooks you have stored in your OneDrive account. From the list of files, look for your OneNote notebook. To make sure that this is the one you'd like to stop sharing, check the sharing column next to the file name. This column will indicate whether the notebook is currently being shared with others. Once you've confirmed it's the correct notebook, hover your cursor over it and click on the three-dot icon. From the menu that appears, click on Manage Access. This opens a detailed view of everyone who currently has access to your notebook. Now you'll see the list of emails or people you're sharing this notebook with. To remove or stop sharing with someone, click on their profile. A small window will appear with sharing options. Click on the drop-down that says specific people with this link can edit. Look for the gear icon, and on the top part of the window, you'll see a sharing link. Simply delete this link to remove this person's access to your notebook. After deleting the link, click on Apply to save the changes. Now, if you still have other emails or contacts on the list that this notebook is being shared with, simply repeat this process for each person. Go through each contact one by one, delete their sharing link, and apply the changes. Once every contact is removed, this notebook will turn into a private file and be unshared moving forward. Your notebook is now secure and only accessible by you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.